Arctic Circle, hundreds came to voice their concern. They object to British taxpayers being refunded billions of pounds while the Icelandic economy is in ruins. They are demanding that the President not enact a bill to repay the UK.
We handed over a petition that is signed by a quarter of the Icelandic voters to ask the President to reject the current Icesave bill. The interest rate on the Icesave agreement for Iceland is like running the NHS, the National Health Service of Iceland, for 6 months.
At the height of the financial crisis 15 months ago, the Icelandic government nationalised the entire collapsed banking system, and in doing so froze all their overseas assets, including the savings of nearly 300,000 retail depositors who held accounts in Britain. Those savers were refunded in full at the time by the Treasury, and last August Iceland agreed to repay that £2.3 billion with interest. That won't happen if the Icelandic President Olaf Ragnar Grimsson refuses to sign the act into law. If he doesn't, Britain, whose savers lost out when Icesave went bust, may take the case to an international tribunal or block Iceland's bid to join the European Union.
Iceland has already promised to make good on its commitments, and the population stands behind that. However, the terms on this particular deal are felt to be unreasonable, and therefore this is really a request for renegotiations on more equitable terms.
During the boom years, an Icelandic company called Bauer bought this iconic toy store Hamleys. Now the country and that company are both in financial dire straits, being propped up by the IMF. And with Britain and Iceland both heavily in the red, neither country will want to give ground in a row over £2.3 billion. Joe Lynham, BBC.